everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to access a Google Photos locked folder. Open Google Photos on your device. Tap on Library at the bottom of the screen. Look for and tap on the Locked option. Browse through your photos and select the ones you want to move. You can select multiple photos at once. Swipe up from the bottom panel and tap on Move to Locked Folder. If you haven't set up a locked folder yet, tap on Set up Locked Folder. Grant the necessary permissions by tapping on Allow. Set up security measures like Face ID or any other authentication method available. Tap on Continue to confirm. Finally, tap on Move to move the selected photos to the locked folder. To view your locked photos later, go back to the library and select Locked. Here, you will find all your locked photos. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.